People, welcome to my YouTube channel again. So today we're just going to be doing a brief tutorial on how to make a couch cover. For this one, I'm making a two-seater couch cover, right? So let's just dive in. So the dimensions of the two-seater couch cover is the length is 42 inches by 24 inches. Okay, so to get the couch cover, of course, we're going to the length. We're going to get that our dimensions will be like the length times two, because it's going to be in two places, of course, the front and the back, you understand. Then the width too is also going to be times two. So the length times two plus 1 inch for sewing allowance, then the width times two, right? Now the length of our couch, the two-seater this thing, is 42 inches. Now the width of that's the height of the couch is of the couch cover is the of the couch is 3 inches. Okay, and we know that when we are doing a couch cover, we also have to take also have to pay attention to the height, because part of the cover curves in, you understand, at that height. So we're going to also put it into consideration. So the length plus the height is what we're going to be taking for the full length. So the height is 3 inches, okay, of the couch cover, and the length is 42 inches. So 42 plus 3, that's 45, then plus 1 inch sewing allowance, so that's 46 in total. All right, so we mark. Okay, so the 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 width of our foam, of our couch cover, will be the width of the entire width plus the height of the foam, then plus 1 inch allowance. Okay, then the length is going to be the length plus the height of the foam plus 1 inch allowance into two, right? So that's it. The width of the foam is also into two too. The width of the width is the width of the foam plus the height of the foam plus 1 inch sewing allowance. Then the length is the length of the foam plus the height of the foam plus 1 inch sewing allowance. So we've gotten our measurements. In this case, the width of our foam is 24. So to get our couch case, we're using 24 plus 3 inches, which is the height, and 1 inch allowance, then plus the length. Okay, so we cut. Okay, so the width of the gasset is, on this folded edge, is going to be 1.5. On this side, it's going to be 2 by 2. On the folded edge, is going to be 1.5 by 2 inches. Okay. These gassets are what forms the height of the couch. We getting this thing. Okay, so this is how it looks like now. Okay, so I bought I'm going to fix the zip on one side, sew up the other side, right? We're going to fix the zip on one side, sew up the other side, then we'll show you how to sew the height area. Okay, so at this point we've sewn all the sides and we have also sewn the zipper. Okay, so now we want to close the height, the gassets. Okay, so to close the gassets, you just open it this way, right? Open it this way and just make sure the two stitches are in the middle, right? Then open it and just sew across. Okay, and you do it for all four corners. Then after that, your couch cover is completed. So thank you for watching. This is how we have already sewn the other sides. Okay, so this is how it looks like. So this is how it looks like. All right. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.